Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rushali. Are you bombarded by so much information on social media on skincare, with serum to use, which sunscreen to use, AHAs and BHAs and all that slang, and you feel completely clueless, insecure that you know nothing about skincare, you don't know where to begin? Don't worry, Dr. Ushali is here and I'm going to tell you how to start your skincare step by step, which product, which ingredient to introduce when, and how to go about establishing a routine for skincare. I'm going to tell you a simple 4-step regimen that you have to incorporate in your routine. Now, the first and the most important step is to incorporate a sunscreen in your practice. Yes, if you've never taken care of your skin and there's one thing you want to start with, it has to be a sunscreen. Identify a sunscreen of your choice. I have a separate video on sunscreen, please visit that. Apart from having the scientific properties that a sunscreen must possess, it also has to be likable to you. You have to like the feel of the sunscreen on your face. You have to use it in the right quantity, repeat applications, blah blah blah. There are a lot of things, please visit that video. But incorporate sunscreen in your practice as your day cream. Super duper important. After you've given a substantial amount of time to get used to the sunscreen, and now application and reapplication comes naturally to you, the second step to invest in is to buy the correct kind of cleanser for your skin and the correct kind of moisturizer. Now you have to use a cleanser that suits your skin. That should also change as per weather. So you should not be using the same cleanser in summers and winters and rainy. It has to change. Again, your moisturizer has to also change depending on the weather. If it's humid, it's sweaty, you have to use oil control moisturizer, and depending on your skin type. Always, if you don't have time to use a moisturizer all throughout the day, you can probably use it after the third step, that is your third cream in the night. But cleansers and moisturizers should be the second step of your skincare regime. The third step of your skincare regime is having the night cream in place. Now this is a very important step because this is something that is going to repair whatever damage has happened to your skin all throughout the day. It is going to repair it. So if you have acne, your night cream will be your anti-acne cream or lotion that you're using. If you're looking for aging signs, then you should be having a night cream which contains retinol or bakuchiol. That is going to be a part of your night cream regime. If you have oily skin but you don't have acne, you can actually have like a glycolic acid serum as your night care regimen. Or you might have like a skin lightening or a skin brightening cream as your night care regimen. Generally, once you apply your night care cream, follow it up with a moisturizer if you've not used moisturizer during the day. It's a good additive post the night cream. Most people will be comfortable doing the 1, 2 and 3 regimens. Okay, so using a sunscreen in place, having a cleanser moisturizer in place, and a night repair cream in place. Now you want to add something more to your skin. You're very comfortable doing all these layerings all throughout the day. Now you have to have something more additive in your skincare practice. Now comes the role of the fourth step. Okay, so only after you finish the first 3 steps do you bring in the fourth one. What is that? It could be a vitamin C serum. You can use a vitamin C serum as the first cream to apply to your face on the day, during the day. More importantly, during the day than the night. It could be a niacinamide serum. It could be a acne cream that you're using. It could also be a skin brightening cream. So this would be the fourth step in your skincare regimen. When you start your skincare cream, a good thing would not introduce all the creams at one go. You can be extra sincere with 10 products for maximum a month or 2 months, and then everything goes haywire. So start step by step. First step, sunscreen. Second step, cleanser and moisturizer. Third step, your night cream. And fourth step, if required, all these other additional creams. I hope this video helps. Subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.